Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will teach you how to optimize your Windows 11 OS by following some simple steps. It also helps to increase the system performance and also acquire some extra space in your hard drive. Let's start. Please do these simple steps shown in this video to tweak your system performance. Step 1. Open my PC and right-click on the primary drive C and open Properties. Then click on Details, and wait for a couple of minutes for system scanning. After completing the scanning process, check all the listed details here. Right here, you can see that the temporary files are almost 39 GB. We need to clean this. Open Temporary Files and select the list you want to clean. Here I need the downloaded files, the rest needs to clean. After selecting, then click Remove Files. Second step, click the search bar and open Run Application. Then type temp and hit Enter. Remove all the files and folders inside that. Then again, open Run Application and type %temp% and hit Enter. Also, remove all files and folders in that folder too. Third step. Open Disk Defragmentation app and select the primary drive C. And click on Optimize if you want defragment now. Or, set the defragment scheduled by opening the Change Settings option and set the run mode frequency to weekly. This will help you to defragment weekly automatically by the system itself and help to improve the performance. Fourth step, open the command prompt with administrator privileges and run a check disk command, type chkdsk and hit Enter. It starts checking the disks and finds bad sectors or errors, if any. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.